Good morning, my good people for outside day. Another edition for our favorite program, Country Meeting, the only Dongamen way it is so. We dey sit down every Saturday for talk palava and trouble with things wey happen for inside this we country. How country it dey pass for the past 5 to 6 days after we will chakara tori last week for talk about all things wey happen for inside this country. So this morning time, my good people go chakara tori for talk about all the wonderful and terrible kind things wey happen for inside this country before una wan sabi who def mama pikin and my woman hand for say mo chakara tori this morning time for better way. I go first take una. Me will make gear back. Work I see all the trouble they don't happen since Monday, can't reach yesterday, Friday, even the way it don't happen except this night, so we will check out for this morning time for better way. But we will take una start now for the one way it passed yesterday after we will finish for Chakara to Ripani Johnny Fruning D. He finished watch Pigeon News around 3:30 for afternoon. He said me go take a small rest and make a small massage for him back where you know to select better. Now so we pa enter for inside room. So unknown people they enter for inside compound yesterday. We see a last happen. Pa on the year now. So we don't shot a bodyguard for food. It treated like a ruler for floor in the corner. I pa one command in the when I only sing they start drop pa carry and drum they take it go down for an unknown destination. Now the second time they kidnap Pani Johnny Fruninji. First question Omar asked him, why they take ye? Why did they torture ye? The second thing I say, why did they torture ye before carry and go? So we'll come up and talk about all the things and who side it they for inside in the government for that side for Norway. They will take one two for talk about Archbishop for Pamenda. You two, they be turn take it away, come on if you get a 5 days tour for answer for Menchum. I say they come up for SUV, they come back, imitate road, they block it to him move stick for road. Our body say, pa, they can't try to do so, you know, fine. You can't run blow road, you remove them, eh? Person no, I guess go work there, place work them. I come out for visit place, I have a hell place, pa, they say, eh, pa. You don't work and visit people from villages, visit them. You don't come visit with for calm. But I say no. Say you go look different day for can't see them. They say no. Today you go visit me. In that one day with them. You want come back where uniform where we wear them. If we don't turn a color. In fact, they just change one time. After I spend one night for that. So we'll come back talk about all this kind of thing for that side for the own visit where he go visit people for that side for mention. They will take one or two even for talk about letter way Dr. Frank Tone a writer. He talk for the letter 70. He suspend all activities for park fee for inside littoral. Why? He do am. He say na say one bring in order for inside this sector because you park your motor play you don't be sabi say they park motor for that side people that body they work out in the big plenty so and they smoke cool when they come they ask you 50,000 or they say you go carry your motor you go pay that 100 away so you go pay that 25,000 so the job work are complicated you don't get no legal money you come any man you see council man go come put malambi for your tire community event he come for the other side he put malambi for your tire in fact you know sabi now you go pay council go pay government delegate why over disorder for inside this sector? Oh boy, una sit where happen for Douala, Roland. Then we go to Bunanjo. Fight in between two police. Municipal police and council police. They were that kituna for committee event. Why they start fight? The next day, number 27 day, where Dr. Finton don't write that letter for number 26 days, so you don't suspect other people them. Now so where Douala one, it on to them, be there for fee, they collect money, the cash put them motor them go lock them, impound them. Now so when Dr. Finton his own police be work and do control, say they don't take one and no work, they look at they say aqua didn't find any work, he want come and just someone they say, why would they can't check me? Why would they can't move one move with uniform for skin by force? And skin now on patron put with the uniform for skin, oh boy, yawa it allows come out before it is so guide them for committee event, they want call and for their own police. They can't say Mary put they want finish then I finish up. Now so we fight in between two of them. They fight today. Police and Jana they come right side now mommy water they start throw tear gas. They say, oh Douala cinema. Oh. Why this kind of thing? They don't solve them for back. Elephant they fight. Now grasshopper them, millipede, all them. They deal with it. Then the young way other people them say they don't go carry banga smoke at them. When they smoke tramol. They can't put and say they be police. Est-ce que they ever see Cameroon police and gendarmes, they start do all they can fight? So when they say a lack of training, so when they say this, so anyhow they come rain comes on, we go more talk and this morning for all this country happen for inside this week country. Okay. Nobody want it pass. He went there for number 27 day for evening. Mayor for Douala 1. Oh my gosh. He fire back. Now only later that. He said, Dr. Frinton Entone, he not getting no right according by law for suspend the activities. Wait he talk am. He talk say this Ndonga men for Palava Park fee. Dr. Frinton Entone na Papol president he put it for chair. But he Oga Mayor na population voting. So me Dr. Frinton Entone he take that one for his own section, but for his own side, he go still send in land boy them, me they work and collect money for Palava Park fee, for say that one, but all man wonder, why all this fire to fire? And the kind problem na problem they solve internally, they must make a me opponent sabi say, mayor and governor delegate they fight, big question mark. We go check out the Ndonga men for better for talk about all the things that happen for inside this country. Move come up on that side this time around. Take una this time around go to this side with the consulting for front ministry for finance. Wait to happen for that side. In fact, ex-workers them from governor. They be there in number about 23,800 workers for 50 companies them. Governor sells someone them. Governor close someone them. What the worker they get for do? They get for pay them small to me they settle them no. Power police say me they give them one year money, 12 months. Me them go. Minister for finance he be paid 3 months. After that 3 months where they pay him, in fact, I'm not even ordering receive money for that 3 months. For that 3 months, governor take a pen, he identify 15,000 of these workers. After we identify 15,000 of these workers, now only 12,000 when they receive two. They receive now only 3 months. So we said 9 months don't go. They recap for Ministry of Finance, they knock down no man any look there. That's so they come out, they can go to strike for that. So main governor a tonton try see what they go do for submitting them to a better for their own side for Palava all the thing the way it happen. And even when no say Cameroon governor get poor, they for even tell them something. No man need tell them nothing. They so come on captain for the strike out. They take una to Kurosia, but alan. They don't tell them nothing. We own only for make una muna sabi how the country in tonton workers. So after from that side, we will take una to go for Betwa for talk about strike for this quarter. This stretch of roadway they pass through this quarter come bam fade for that side for Betwa. Strike it be there for them for Sikaweti and you na black out that. Use them come out. Then say they don't go to talk say Cameroon get Latin, it get Latin for neighbor them. Then they tell them Cameroon don't enjoy that Latin. Then Latin they come that side like teaspoon. They give them Latin for give chop with 1 feet big man and big town like Betwa. You go begin give feed you with a teaspoon. Say me they feed them with a normal eating spoon. In fact, they don't too much. And you they give Latin 1 hour, it got 5 hours. Again 1 hour, it got 2 days. Again 2 hours, it got 3 days. Hey, why all the one? Cameroon the nang damba. They when they laugh for look damba, they don't see after they come on block road. Say all thing, they must do it. They must give them latrine for a long time. No, but that's where they cocotte. Now so autos they come they say una carmos. We go tonton see what you go do for palava. This una palava latrine. But time when they go for people for and you say, what in the happen? Why would they cocotte light? You put microphone. No man they want to go. They return mumu. But when you go for bank, say my brother. Now waiting and now we waiting to happen where with the Coca-Cola many minutes so my people go say para. It's can be sabi say this machine will get away a machine for minutes somewhere. It don't old, it don't tire. This machine when you work 1 hour, 2 hours, it don't hot. You need for offer. If you don't offer, it go make a boom. And if you make a boom, when I go play with later, you know day. So now what I would do and so but we all got they don't talk say they go fish and they go fish and they go fish. Carry they never say no one machine. No one machine. And I saw better put the tonton, they cry all this one. So we'll take one or two work and go for that side. We'll take one or two. Come back for littoral here, precisely for inside Douala, but we'll go for that side for each entrance for town. You see the camion so? It don't make more than 1 month for Entre B. More than 1 month. It cause traffic. It cause accident then because when you come for night, you run drive, you almost can enter for back the camion. Either you go jam and all think people for that side the tonton want to say this country they don't sabi. Committee you bring get all big engine away. If you can't told him to move for that place in less than no time. But the funniest thing I say now committee event people they don't block that motor for day for sending that motor no come out. How they block them? Nothing way it vex people. They take the one they call as waiting. Their own Malambi can't put them for food for the tire. Where the motor, the camion driver, he never drive that motor, come out of the all man, they just say they cause accident. Best skin, they can't enter under. Motor, the car where they run for night, they can't enter under. Tell man don't take some more to Molupo. They can't enter under. And all that one, and the motor, the capture, they don't put Malambi. How the driver can carry a motor for go garage more than 1 month? Insurance and the bond, vigilant, all in the bond. Driver no fit chop for your house. Owner for the motor no fit chop. No man, it is sabi wait till it happen. The motor no get book, you don't get insurance. And why? If you know they nobody will carry and go to Kitu horse. My brother, no ask me. Another camion again. So for the road, you come up for entry B, became house one until you come for airport. Roland, pray for the minute to the other camion. Now another camion this way, it don't make this Land Cruiser Prado, it can't do it. It tumble. Because the man they run for night, it change gate, because you know that road it up also. You see camion far away, the camion is packed so. You know that camion see they far. It only come in see the camion near it come in the car power it was see say this so if he continue the cam he go enter for under the camion na so way he dodge the camion as he want dodge the camion na so way motor tumble side tukulu as the motor tumble side for that side wait it happen the only tonton see na how the man comot he say escape bar e dey for this side make a face call in my hand other people say pa leave am so we fit find that one crate. But it not end so for that accident. The next morning, another camion again, where he come to for daytime. In fact, instituted the camion the worker. Now in that, as he one come the camion for morning time, he still met up the motor for day way turn up. Now so this camion will carry cement. He want come to, he want try for dodge that motor. He do it. He fall cement chakra. He block road, more traffic and more traffic. Why they not move that motor for that side? No man, you know, if you answer that question. We own other people for talk about all the things that it happened for inside this country. Take me this time around, Rolando, mu continue Naktori, so for Rome for Douala for talk about terrible and wonderful canteen. For this side, you know, say this so camion there where they run Douala Bangui, Douala Njamina. They be there on strike, go na hear their problem. If you give them 1 month, maybe they solve their problem. But now they don't start solve the problem. They don't send them. They send some teams. Say me go do inspector, go check whether now how that control them. They for road. Maybe they go do their work. After 2 weeks they come back. Say we don't go field. What did they say for field? They say custom, police, gendarme. In fact, you want run every 1 hour. You seek it to every 30 minutes. You seek it to. They say they control too much and they only act now money. They come back and give report. Minister for Finance, Minister for Delegate for National Security, she don't hold government, even though they talk to this, so all that police and custom they for now, no they do that work, they insert corona money. Same they give them small punishment, even though they say they never implement them. All that one, same they give them severe sanctions for all that one, and they give for reduced police and gendarme and custom. They all for road for say so. Make camion driver they fit tonton do that thing, and so one they tonton glass at least price for chop go GM, price for chop go calm down, onions to all the other things they transport them. Camion it go calm down and any life too it go be affordable. Because now the police control them, then the tonton make a full price for things high because you find extra money for gear for them, and that extra money will gear for them. Now so they add enough for consumer them, and them now they get into plain. So we'll talk about that for this one for better. We'll talk to about Palava. 22 people with a slip tail like ruler. 1 against Tonton ad. 13 every day for Wasapita. Now this accident will happen for us for Batie for sensitive voyage where he come out make a small ramasa even though they be identify cop them 6 cop they be Tonton cardio the number Tonton identify him. Wait it happen before this motor he make other place the driver and no be concentrate he no be the look road fine and when the work and make ramasa he carry press say we no get with it. So we'll Tonton for talk about all the accident the way it happen for inside this country. We'll take one to go for talk about UN coordinator for Cameroon. It don't vex. Wait till Mary vex. He say he don't see some video in body honey for inside plenty. And that video na in this. Where Amber boys they talk say this kako na kako wey Cameroon government wan can poison their population dey for that side for northwest. So now why they don't catch and destroy all the kako them. UN connect say wallahi try this kako no be from Cameroon government. Cameroon government it just stand like a show we road like how far Atango the minister of territorial administration. If we go Bamenda, he open office for that side. Go south, he open office for saying they identify if they be in crisis, put they be in need for saying they give them small help. Say the kako about 65 camions. He come out for UN World Food Program. Now at the end of the end, so start go begin and go na game again and some more direct and help them for talk about this one. Say all that they talk the Cameroon government, no na Cameroon government. No we go talk about and this morning time. They will take una to work for go for that for Intercontinental Hotel for that for Swiss for talk about how people would do what they constitute and this I deny them. They visit hotel about 40, even though they promised it Saturday today. They come again. After when they carry Papa go for that side, somebody say, Papa, you go relax more to mash and to make a small massage, make a fan massage. Because you don't get a fan massage for Cameroon here. I think they will see them say, me pa, me go back. Me can go back, oh, but pa, he go for that side, so he there for mission. Roland, press button, mo say, I'm waiting to be mission where he carry Papa, he go for that side for Swiss. Na palava din donga me when they talk to you, Anglophone crisis. Because he don't prepare some underground small dialogue with the Amber parent for that side. They for system they come they should on the dialogue for talk about how they go solve that problem. Where it is so humanitarian parent too for that side for street they say they want start like mediator for middle and for say papa what you they talk about people they say they don't separate say they don't want to do anything again with you what you tell them what you propose for them then them too they will talk say now they want one time then if they come to a compromise for talk say so we agree for the one oh no agree for the one so we'll come back for talk about how that Nungame even though they say no they want an unknown organization will not link anything with government because anything will link with government it must be small politicized any man define their own interest for all that side so we'll come back for talk about all this one for talk about this thing that happen for inside this country how serious people then go do escape they go allow sit down for the dialogue or they no go chill on the dialogue and how it go turn happen for inside the country they will talk to about 5 big ogadem for Sonora where they be there for that time for Botage and I made the answer I not been sabi why he born me I been sabi the one I been signing the one me I not been sabi the one so we turn to go for that time for Sonora for talk about all this one and two even to for talk about some Gonderi about 50 years woman where they discover he died for that time for Konsamba how he died like a fowl not asking how fowl die. Because when you see where fowl die, it is sleep. Run press button. We'll go for that side from Konsamba for talk about how they discovered this died body. He died for inside farm with him. Kill ye, who kill ye, why? Put it one that waited happen for Konsamba. Picking cut it out to collapse for Konsamba. Who pay a person die for house or from Konsamba. Oh, play the bomb from Konsamba. Oh, Mount Lonako, the vomit stone. The vomit do this kind of thing. Destroy property them. Wait till it happen for Konsamba. Escape in need for say some special intervention. So we'll go for that side. Even talk to about Palava ask them to from Konsamba the way they so some gongoro. A jumps on taxi. The taxi discover itself now for on top man in bed. We put it in sleep on top. How it happened? Aeroland. How it happened without accident on Konsamba? Some people say this taxi it be run like a liquid leak. Then camion it be run like bim bim. When bim bim touch liquid leak, what will happen? I think they discover the taxi. Now on top man a bed on top the seat 10 with the blood outside. They carry the parent go to hospital, but we think a God say no man, sleep straight like a ruler. Countryman, naturally now we'll check out this morning time. If I take my chair, she don't. When I come back, now be say when I go sabi, who there for my mom pikin and my woman hand for some more check out this morning time. Welcome back, my good people. This 1 hour for someone as Sabi who then there for my man picking hand and woman hand. But we'll just start for my woman man picking hand. Master time for you two don't take a chair, she don't. How body this morning time, bro?
We thank God, my brother Michael. Now only say this kind to read the woman here, so the member is in the co. You know, imagine say camion the way they stand for road, they make accident, but the community will be. This work a fight, we cancel police. That kind of thing they happen for only for country where they work on top head.
It work in our country. I don't understand.
It happen in our country where they work on top head. Normally, we work on our food now. If you start work our head, it means a problem. Because for normal country, that kind of thing what happen. Instead for they do work, they only there for fine chew. Because they work for clear all the obstacles they stand for road. When they talk that they fight urban disorder. But the urban disorder they live go now for place where they put the oil for lips. It's not correct. So that kind of thing they make a mind skin they go.
Opposite you directly, we get Mr. Elvis, young journalist, you even though so I'm going to IDP. Why you run Bamenda? He says better than Douala, we go for Douala at least. They sleep anytime when they want to. For us, Bamenda them they sleep like a. In fact, they go climb on top bed foul. Then if after they play tabla down, Elvis, you don't run kind Douala. So good morning, how our body?
Body they find Michael, and I want to raise a lot for all contributors when they for Asadi. Even though the matter is not easy, but we thank God say one day it go better.
One day it go better.
One day it go better.
So you believe say any moment from now if you go back to Bamenda?
I believe say any moment from now I not only go back for Bamenda. Plenty of my brother them and my sister them, they insisted we could go back and they could go stay fine too.
Opposite you, Reverend Bay Christian, other people say Kumba man. Yeah, Kumba yeah. Kumba yeah. Night this no. Night you want see? Okay, Roland play but me they see Reverend Bay Christian.
Good morning, Michael. Good morning, listener for cover for Canada English. Yeah. We thank God for today. Say now God to make and say more we see each other and we come for gather for see how we were going to the run and how we got he help us for talk with way if he help for build this country and for make the country maybe the way God want to make be.
Okay. For make the country be the way God want to make it be. Okay.
The country never forgot the hand now. Now God get the country.
Yeah.
Even though some of us with the struggle with the fee say now we get the country we do and the way we like them, but the country never forgot the hand. Because the way God talks here on time can reach. Maybe you go normally we fight die. Died in a time we are on time reach. Even though now they're the first people even die with not so for die because they just shoot people anyhow, but any man get on day go die.
Any man get his own day, but Bible it talks if you obey your mommy and papa, it could do it. Your days it go be longer and you no go die quick. Okay. I don't know what I remember because I agree with well, I know when it comes back. I know, yes, I know that one you go like a plenty. Yes. Rolando, press button like a better boy for us. I Bob the night with my camera this morning time was saying I see you may we take una go time for Bamenda for talk about Pani Johnny Fru Ninji. As Pa feeling look PG News yesterday for 3:30. Oh boy. Who's that party now? Party for an unknown destination. They not only can take power like how they be kidnapped last time. This time they take power where power they na because they have naked because we wear a singlet. They not only take you without have singlet. They draw you for down like how they draw cheap man before carry you kidnap you go down. All man they ask question why power? Why they kidnap power? Why they torture you? Who said they carry you go? Waiting, they want them. Waiting, power don't do. In fact, question they plenty. The night be overlong for Bamenda. Matatafu, Baneke. Yeni. How you feel when you be hearing Dungamen say Pani John Nifru Minji? In fact, it is for an unknown destination.
No, when we feel very bad. Feel very bad because if they cannot be the first time. Not begin the second time, I think there's a problem. And now, where the thing don't be as it don't be, the stories that we hear around the kidnap, it make way they ask so many questions because that other time when they be fake kidnap, you will be they go ban so it become more come back. It talk say the kidnapper they don't be like torture he, they don't be mad, they be treat you well.
They come out banana separate chop.
They put the chop banana. Now, if the second group of people the way they can't kidnap you, they start exactly. From house, we begin the just for the pray God for play with powerful. They may say, "May God let me." They know do the worst because if they start dragging right from house, if you imagine maybe the two will follow. Because I believe the other ones, they not be drag key, they be only accompany you.
Take it, go job
say pan, nothing that they discuss what they discuss about there. I see we can't talk. Oh, yeah. But now this one they don't come. And following kidnapping again, when I remember the Reverend Father Bishop when they be kidnapped and the other day, some I think that they
will come back for that side for side for Bishop.
My talk small for come back on top. When you see that you won't kidnap. Now, if the kidnap is they say na Amber kidnap you, Amber say no be then kidnap you. It show now say apart from the Amber, some other group of people there where they wear Amber cap, they work at they cause atrocities, so that for shift they blame on Amber. So thing when me I pray in particular and I say me not be another group where they kidnap powerful because if that the group maybe could be dangerous for pa. So nothing that I want just talk with them.
Elvis, wait till you figure I'm like on small Dungamen when you see this kind of thing you come back and you know Bamenda day, Bamenda be militarized all over. But if they think come on Tarikon can move pa how they go he pass way normally. Nobody say that for night, 4 o'clock, 3:30 between 3:30 and 4 o'clock when this incident happened. Wait till you if he talk.
Oh, first of all I want to start for talking today. So if they think kidnap or Funzi. Kidnap other big people. Last time we been a phone of so where they take it. If they don't start to take that kind of people, that means we normal people, the normal man for Bamenda,
will
not be safe. And first of all, I want to say this, so I condemn that kind of act. That kind of act where this so person like Funzi, he get respect for Cameroon here. That person where they supposed to give you, they supposed to look at you like big man, even for the part for government and part for Amber, because when some kind of matter go reach some kind of time, they get for run back now for you. So when they don't reach enough for the matter way, they can't even take in, can't drag it that kind of way. You know, make no sense. And I feel serious. So that kind of thing, they don't give, they disrespect people. They call and say Anglophone them because I don't believe say when they do and so other big people then why they need to take them? Why the most kind they do that kind of thing? They disgrace Funzi. Now politics. You understand? Say politics inside the matter.
Politics na dirty game.
Yes.
Politics na dirty game. Reverend Bakery said, this one, Oman the wonder, they toy for that, they torture ye. It's good that the secessionist fighters, on our kidnappers, on non-armed men, who feel the suspect say if don't commit this kind of act.
Well, I just want to talk. Say Michael say, always will put a hand together. I want to beg all the pastors. They say me they pray for Nijon Fundi very seriously, because not say being one of the icon and one of the symbolic for Anglophones. It's because way concern this struggle. I concern the whole politics of Cameroon in general. It is one of the icon figures. And say the government, it don't be desperate. Where if you do anything for make say he saw the people they fight the Amber Boys their names. If you do anything, because if you ask us a question, why they can't? If you go for Bamenda, Francophones are there, officials are there. Why they can't Anglophones? Now it was just me what to tell you say when you see even for the world politics, when government they fight with other nations, they be what you call say militias on the ground, where they be loyal to the government. I believe I said they don't be militias on the ground. Government actually be militias on the ground. From what we will get, we will know where they like Amber, but they be Amber. They stand for do some things them for put blame on Ambers. And those people the way they don't I believe they do that thing because I believe I say even if the real Ambers they don't for what we hear, so they draw it, they molest it, they shoot down, they don't for do and so. I talk and so because the government when we don't be frustrated, you do things them for see how if you come out from the situation where you're in. For example, if you go for Boya, you go for some citizens, you go see military motor the way you see military men, they do with uniform. They do with motor, you don't get military motor. You get dark glasses they all over. You not get number plates. You see, you never know even see the possibility they put it inside. So those people, those are the people that do that kidnapping. You are someone saying that they do that kidnapping because when they can't kidnap you,
know. But don't get no identification.
Go for boy, will see them. They never plenty for boy around them. You will see them plenty. They don't get no identification. They don't get no number plates. They get this no. You don't get no number plates. They get just no number plates, and there are military people that were armed inside that motor. You know, get the gas. They don't be.
If they commit any crime, anything, you don't identify. You don't know who you're talking.
That's it. So
whose motor don't
that is the discretion of the government, and that's what they have done. And it be very wrong. It be very wrong because. You know, the military man cannot move without you not saying a military man. The military man is they still around Buya, around Munya. They see all of them. You see around there, all of the around the other side, other cities. And I believe that those people them, militia the way they don't be put down by the government, they'll do the act because I don't believe and say those Amber guys I mean, for the first report we get away the kidnapping, I mean, it was a good report, even though we need to be happy how it happened, but it was a good report. But the one will happen now, you should those people they don't mean good. You understand now? They don't mean good. So now what the person in the church, the clergy, everybody gather, they pray for Pani John say, me God try help you where the people they won't take it. I don't know the intention why they can't take it, but they believe and say me the intention being a good intention. And I don't know even a good intention, I don't know reason why if you deprive a whole person like that one for inside a house for not really, live in life.
I know even talk why you can't for
Why
taking another person where they turn take it for that side for Bamenda and Bishop Fontaine Cornelius for that side. We wait till be turn happen. He be get on a 5-day tour for that side for Menchum. He work I come back from Asu village. He can't break for road. You see where they don't block roads. And then the station fight they don't block roads so nice. So when he go down for the for a motor start any man they come say no, we no move. I'm no man can any man can say no. Now so when he carry the courage, he start for do it. He move that stick them for road. They move at the party normally. Now normal thing no. He want go for the last one. How many come out they say oh you be you. Hey partner you come outside. He say no I come out for talk for visit other village then for give them small thing penga. He be there too with father for issue that for that side with the driver. Now so when they say okay pa you don't want to visit all prayer. You don't say we know can't go visit one come to. Prayer for we bless we. That be normal thing. In like one night with them. Pa one come away a white garment don't turn a color garment. But at least pa don't tell we. Because you need John the whole time you come first and need John say no they even give juice eat drink and they film am they see how he be enjoy for that side and they need John be done for VIP camp. He dey under road well protected. But now Bishop not tell me whether they so he pay how much for come for day. He give them any small chopping money and give them 3D fine. They give small casting for food. Then give chop. He don't even come back with anything for that side for show say he be there for day. So in fact people they wonder Master Tamfu how you see that Bishop worker because you know tell you how if you want to know they take you, they kidnap you, go down after they release it the next day, you come back for parade.
I think I get some more hint from somewhere say Bishop say the people them be so hospitable. If it doesn't be hospitable means say they keep you fine.
They take you care for you.
Take care for you, put it for special bed, sleep on top good mattress, and then they give you good chop fry, some more eggy chop. So if the hospitable means say they don't take it easy arms, they never maltreat you. So if this one where they can't start what are they talking now will still come back for Nifro, they can't drag my partner for dance, so you know fine. So I think say make government do something because all these things so could turn around for now on top government will be declare war and they no one call off the war. People they die, they kidnap people, they do this, they do that. If this one for day, we not forget all these kind of things them. So time don't reach where we still talk as we don't talk always. Say me government move military, me they go back to barracks. And bad boys now again who against the person where they could defend themselves against. Automatically they go put their gun for down and then they will organize, we go for round table, we talk about differences and we see a way out. Me all man go one side quiet, we should make peace return. Because you go see for dollar na IGP then but they don't they be unable for chop. For brother they bamenda you sleep, you know your life not be secured. As one my brother rightfully talk for year before, say if they fit kidnap you a common man, who are you? They just catch you, they just come in a conquer no. And the funniest thing where they voted as well, all this kidnap that it happen so with the military they place be militarized. So they call the government say if the military don't go for day, maybe they won't pass them for do or I don't know how I classify them. But I mean they go back for barracks and then we'll use different method and the different method are for dialogue. We come back and talk to where the hot for belly and then we see how we go end the matter. No before say me they should don't quite they say no they happen and they put that they die all day, put that they be displaced all day and someone they die for inside jungle. Now what are the man they gonna forget say he go talk say na be on a crisis.
What one time I can say when crisis there so I believe and say the government gave a huge responsibility for a soldier because even for you look around the world you look and say when war day so some personalities there where they be under the responsibility of the government. They don't need any kind of man. Neither the priest is any kind of person. Now they help the United Nations food programs for show them for help them how the people give food. They so man like the priest, I said you go to Ipso will be under surveillance. You understand what I'm saying now? So be under the surveillance. But the frustrating thing I say, the pain where the people they don't feel them. Any man servant of God, your life goes there with the people them for at least for comfort them for that pain where they feel them. And people say one of the two ways take the bishop for go down for issue. Because for issue, you don't talk about a lot of people that don't be killed, for issue. And don't be talking over the media and social media, or people don't die in their dozens, and abuse the bishop going to go comfort the people them. But with the prayer I say, meet everybody, maybe in the amber, being the military and whosoever. We should understand to respect the clergies. They're not just ordinary persons. They go for us, but respect the clergies.
But now bad thing for saying me if you too you can go visit
them. I'm not denying. I'm just go visit kind of bad thing. I need to talk. When I say respect the clergy, I don't mean to say wait.
If they not be respect the volume.
No, I talk now. I talk because some of the clergy have been molested by the military itself.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. What way I live? If you show what type of archbishop, they show respect. I need to deny. They show respect, but I want to say generally, they should give everybody should give respect to the clergy. You understand what I'm saying now? Because I talk also because I don't see the way even I don't work for town. Even I go come by, you see where clergy talking about military, talking about clergy. Even with the collar.
Clergy not even died then.
You see, and some they have been killed. Some they enter the churches there with military. So I don't know how this military they operate. I don't know why they operate anger. They operate now. What kind of mindset? I don't understand. Or then another spare. I don't know.
I want to disagree with the Reverend Beck Christians more for the part where he talks basically military, le fundi. Because for they go with military.
No, I'm not just fundi. No,
even clergy, even the Reverend Father, even for they go so carry convoy.
I don't mean convoy. I don't talk about the surveillance.
So I'm waiting. I say they carry metro with the convoy. Now I'm bad. They go come on. Is that bush missing bullet?
But once you the archbishop or the bishop don't talk, you don't talk to this, so they not treat it bad. And he used that opportunity for even try to talk for the guy and for caution them for some kind of thing the way they do them. He not deny the fact in a struggle, not a struggle. All we with the fight. He say but some particular one in the way they overshow like say they overknow inside the matter. So you try to tell and say no, this one a fight way, all we two with the fight them, all we don't suffer. You don't know young girl, they want no young girl. So now we try to make sure say make una the fight a genuine fight. And we talk about Funzi that this Amber one call this concussion that the Amber guys into like okay this one is struggle way then say they fight and when they realize say inside matter like this one any man they bring in this one for spoil una bad name. Them say they get for try for do some kinds like people are around me they put eye to me they try to avoid this kind of matter this kind of thing because when you ask them they will tell say nobody then carry Funzi government they say nobody then carry him who then
carry him alas mo just take una bring up for this side for Littoral Orlando but pet button mo see how Dr. Finton Antone he don't vex a write letter say suspend all palava park fee all palava say they carry money motor they tow money motor they scatter money motor they molest Prevo Road because they ask them money for palava park fee or say don't pay wrongly for inside town for palava wait till the court say open disorder. They don't get a fixed amount where we generally supposed to sabi the money if you park around they come catch you they give you a receipt you pay this money it go for inside pocket from governor for second you don't park wo side or they carry a motor you go pay legal money now so the legal fee is as this order be the entire over. I see write that letter number 26 day number 27 day he said the control for outside nothing will happen problem pray to me control here. Nobody they come out the work and do control, then they start fight for road in between council, police, and anyone police for committee event. All the two and all the nagroba and all man sabi say all the body they smoke. They take tramol. All man sabi that one say that they do. They carry iron for saying they big me people they fear them. For seek that letter because Mary want council for Mary talks to so ye people them say that letter Dr. Finton to write time it no concern council it concern ye and your own group say them they go continue to work. Now so to after they fight police gendarme they come struggle for scatter and throw tear gas any man run going on side any man run now oh. Alas wait it happen. No be Master Mayor too is write his own letter he send up outside. Say the letter he write and so now for take complaint say Dr. Finton they no get no right over council. Even though they say that the first magistrate, that the first man concerning mayor them for inside Littoral. But question not over the action. This one so na elephant dey fight no be na grasshopper with the grass dem with the cutting grass dey suffer because they waka run outside na we dey waka run why the two dey fight. So the next thing is all up and say this council police wey dey no be trained they dey fight for public in between the two police especially if you ever see gendarme and police they dey fight because they get an objective. They don't be well trained. But when you don't carry put in the smoke, carry iron for quarter, carry can be say police, municipal police. That's it. You don't come on the door for inside the wala. If the one or so, what your commission come out, a yawa your come out, they will say what did happen. We will start with you, Reverend Beckerson. How you see this dogamen? Delegate say he want bring order. Mayor say ngang go bring order for inside a house because if that we for we will do order. But now for fee, we say we sabi say this so that you no get order. I get my sister a matter where he commonly make camp for Bonabede because he park for corner total, he no for park. They can ask 70,000. He allowed give them 50,000 because he park motor for corner road.
We get a lot of problem for this our country, Poncha. A big problem we get of the country. And when I see something like that one, me I vex and I cry. Why? Because there are people the way they dey for up that they don't spoil this country. The authorities them when they for on top they don't kill this country because any country for work well it must go based on policies, based on the law and based on the rules play on the ground. You see, say first of all, I don't mean for me what they I don't see the use of government delegate because president is being voted by the people. For me, if the president be voted by the people, the mayor be voted by the people. Those are the people that they get powers. The government delegate come and do what? Government delegates don't like how we talk like a man where either the watch now what's where it happen the whole meeting question them on what you want to do. Government delegate not going for kish done get a group for send of outside why they made the way they don't be voted by the people also get the own group send of outside all the one confusion where themselves inside government they confuse them. For me even the governor needs to be voted by the people because if you vote president and then president appoint governor too must be appointed by the governor interact directly with the people. But because they want to get a lot of confusion where the authorities they say they don't deserve to put confusion because for their benefit. Because when you see those guys now they fight, the one with the broke white eye on a photo that they will go for alcohol suffer. The government they go there inside house, they even fight for this so even in office in about hotel until they dream mimbo for day or wait for some on site enjoy life. But the problem is what the laws the way they don't put them for ground, they need to respect them. They need to respect that law. If they respect that law, we're not going to get the problem we get on today. Now because the law not be respected on the ground.
Palava law is not be respected. Now, Mr. Tamfu, mayor, the right on letter. Government delegate, the right on. Them naturally the solve up internally, they can solve up openly share this kind of thing they fight. So if you talk for that one day with Palava, this boy the way they say they don't be trained, because they behave like animals.
This is just can expose a failed system. How one house could begin fight with itself? When one house start the fight within itself, none of the stand, it means it don't fall. Now, as the Reverend Beckerson talk, what to be the need of a government delegate? We get mayor. We get, if not before Palava, this is what they call a dictatorship. The government delegate, we no need government delegate. For a region, we get the governor. Where they don't appoint a senator. You know correct? They still appoint another watchdog when a government delegate so that may come begin to control the activities for mayor and limit the powers for mayor so that mayor no will carry out the work as he supposed to carry out as a mayor where people they don't vote. So now the government delegate now they now for the president forget the total grip on top of the power everywhere. Because in government delegate not for the who could for the represent president for the government delegate for the president and president. Because if the go say minister governor then for administration. So if they want for somebody who can manage the municipal, now who? They send government delegate. So that when government delegate now come, they go get the upper hand over the mayor. So that mayor now not take decision, do things they normally as he supposed to do. And the thing that we go see some road that go spoil when you want to call the attention of the mayor, go tell say hand be tight. Because all the powers to do all those things don't be given into the hands of the government delegate.
Okay.
So now the thing that way
where it happen.
And now Government they go carry on people them. This country now, when you look how things they happen, you fit just conclude say the country now don't be the one where they don't cut and small, put them for inside plate. Say the man here, one small part begin chop you here. This man because of this thing we be doing, so take this small part begin chop you here. If not, when they go, he still government when people they do for outside, would they be a bit educated? We know they be educated for some level, at least you feel assimilate some certain things. Them you feel learn easily. But they go take this body, they don't pass all that time to begin simunku without training. Because they don't train them. Because they just look anybody where they used to disturb for inside quarter. I don't know why they want. Maybe they want to do insecurity. No, they say no, I can't tell you now. Oh,
Chop.
share. And then they come the give taxpayers hard time. They don't know what they